Scooby-Doo versus Courage the Cowardly Dog death battle. Don't ask why I wanted to see this. I just wanted to, you know what I'm saying, see who's gonna win, bro. That's all I wanted to see, bro. I'm gonna be so dead ass. I just want to see who's gonna win, bro. I don't care about no stats, no nothing. I just want to see who's gonna win. Ariel. Who y'all think's gonna win though? Who y'all think's gonna win, bro? Me personally, okay. We can go with the OG and say Scooby-Doo is winning this genuinely, but y'all have to understand, like, okay, yes, Scooby-Doo been through a lot of trauma and been, you know what I'm saying, been catching people, but you have to understand that Courage the Cowardly Dog been fighting things that's been out of space, non-human, and you know what I'm saying? Scooby-Doo been searching. Scooby-Doo been going on fucking searching clues and catching humans. Courage the Cowardly Dog catching out of space aliens, bro. Like, you know what I'm saying? It hit different. Death battle Julie cannot be trusted, but it'll be Courage. Thank you, Veronic. Diana, I get why you say Scooby-Doo, because you know what I'm saying, Scooby-Doo meant a lot to you. You know what I'm saying? Scooby-Doo, you know that word. But I'm going Courage the Cowardly Dog, man. That's just me, bro. I have a feeling Courage the Cowardly Dog's winning this. Wait, are they fighting the monster or are they fighting each other?
What do I do? What do I do? Rabbit's got it! Rabbit's got it! Come on!
Are these... Is this Thumb Wars?
Rabbit's got it! Rabbit's got it! Come on! Come on!
Oh, this is where the fight coming. Okay, wait. This is where the fight coming.
One more thing.
Come in here, big boy.
How to defeat a Great Dane with a speech impediment, eh? Twit.
What am I literally watching, bro?
My eyes! Oh, it burns!
This is supposed to be a death battle, like these two fighting. What type of fight is this?
All dogs love their bones, don't they?
Okay. Okay, all Scooby-Doo gotta do is eat his Scooby snacks.
This could be bad. My name isn't Chad James. And it's not.
Okay, hold on, okay. Now we on it, so hold on, Scooby-Doo, hold on. Okay, Scooby, yeah! This is my Scooby, this is Scooby, oh, me! Oh, no, wait! That's actually gonna hit. No, I ain't lying, that was actually kinda heat. I'm not gonna lie, that was actually kinda heat. That was actually kinda heat. That was actually kinda heat. That was actually kind of easy, bro.
Stupid dogs! You made me look bad! What's her? Ow! 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 Cut it out!
Oh, Muriel, I hate that stupid dog!
KO!
Yeah.
Wait, what? Who won?
Wiz, as happy as I am to avoid on-screen dog murder, wasn't one of them supposed to die?
Not since the Great Norris Centro Singularity event of 2015 have we had a result like this. It can't end like this, right?
Even with Courage's insane cosmic feats,
I mean-
you'd think the Zabriskie Triangle would be enough to seal the deal. But both pooches could regenerate from basically any kind of physical damage.
Both were incredibly smart in different ways.
I mean, I guess. I guess. I guess, bro. I guess, bro. I don't know.